Okay, and we're live.
So for me at least, the easiest part was most of like the graphs and stuff. Uh
Yeah,
I
Yeah,
think most of that's just we've already all seen before and dealt with it.
I don't. I know for a fact I've dealt with the roots for like several times in previous classes, mainly
Yeah.
graphing in
yeah,
particular. I guess the hardest part of it would be like the last graph we did where we got like one wrong. That was like the one mistake we made, pretty
When there
much.
was the break in it.
yeah, and
So,
it yeah, and I think there was another one at the beginning where it crossed the line and we were right, but it could have also had a break in it.
Yeah, we didn't
Was
think about
that
breaks
yeah,
before.
we didn't think about
the
breaks until they showed up because they were like all continuous before, and even
yeah,
the one that wasn't continuous before that, we still got it right by pretty much luck, basically.
yeah. So yeah, we just got to be careful about when it specifies continuous or not.
I think another one that was like pretty simple was the very last one on the actual worksheet. Uh
Yeah, that was
Especially
fairly
because
simple.
there was
We've,
already one that was in the
well,
Desmos
yeah, we've already
part of it.
we already had a worksheet for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something that like I want to do more of is the first one on the worksheet. Uh,
Mhm.
I think that one took us the longest on a singular problem at least.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it was just like hard to like put into words how he did it. And after we like figured out like how to relate it to like IVT, it was fairly
Yeah,
straightforward, I guess.
because most of the graphs like it took it was pretty quick for most of the entire Desmos part. There was just
Yeah,
26 of them, and just typing it out took a little bit, but it was
yeah,
fairly easy.
yeah. There was
Yeah.
nothing really overly
It's really just the
complicated.
wording is the most difficult part.
Yeah, I always struggle with like wording things properly. Have to, like take my
Hmm.
time a little bit. Uh, Sorry.
And the marble one was kind of weird with a
Yeah, because it's just hard. It was just didn't know. It's like impossible to like tell basically without like knowing the value of it. Like
Yeah.
yeah.
basically just
Um, I do like how the lab worksheet had the example because that actually applies to like most of it, and it made it pretty easy for me to understand at least.
mm,
Uh, for like
yeah,
a uh different type questions that we'll probably see in the future too.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
definitely.
It's a very good jumping off point for like
yeah.
the other problem we're gonna have. And
I also didn't think that we had to actually like list if a problem was continuous or not in when we were trying to solve it.
yeah, but now
Uh,
yeah, it's good that
Yeah.
we came across like the discontinuous lines because then it helps us know
yeah,
what we have
exactly.
to do.
Yeah. I definitely like that Desmos learning thing. Kind of shows you how to think about it rather than just like formulas and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think that actually helps a lot
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
like
just understanding it.
it was almost like an IQ test sort of. Have you guys ever taken an IQ test where there's like patterns and
Hmm.
you like move things or whatever?
yeah,
Yeah,
it's like,
I think it's a little bit more like engaging and a little bit more uh
mhm,
I don't know, it makes it a little bit more fun than just staring at like a worksheet and doing a
yeah,
worksheet.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely
yeah.
the interactive element helps a lot.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of like worksheets are just like do this, do this, do this, and then like give you any engagement from it. It makes it harder to learn.
Yeah.
I did like that we could see the other people's like responses.
Responses. So
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
that helped a little bit, like to see that's how we learned about like the continuous thing, or that's how like we figured out our mistake afterwards.
Yeah, cuz
they
you can see how
mentioned
other
it.
people are thinking and what they're putting there,
Yeah.
and you can go back and look at it and make sure if you're getting it right or
Yeah,
someone's thinking a different way.
yeah, seeing other people's responses is really helpful. Like, make sure that you are all on the same page, basically, and just it's always good to like learn from like other students, like as a group.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely.
It's kind of hard to do that with online classes usually, so it's good that we get to do this
Yeah.
sometimes.
I would say so far this class, the interactive component is more than most of my in-person classes.
Yeah, for sure. Most indoor classes are just like in person, just go to the lecture, sit, and then leave.
Yeah.
Okay, like 1 more minute left.
Um,
So is there anything is there anything you guys are unsure about, or did you guys get everything pretty much?
Uh, yeah, after looking at it for a bit, pretty much makes
yeah,
sense.
I think so too. I
Yeah,
think I was fine on everything.
it's not really overly complex or anything.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Um,
Pretty easy to grasp.
I think I would like to do more, just a lot more problems of it, just to actually like fully be confident with it.
oh yeah.
But
Yeah, practice makes perfect. I think tomorrow's homework is based off of it for Thursday, so you get some more practice of that.
That's good.
yeah, I haven't done the homework for tonight yet either,
Oh.
so.
All right, we're past the limit, so
All
you
right.
guys are
Nice.